here we are. Here we have the OnePlus Bullet Z. So let's open this. Here we have the earphones. Let's keep it aside for a moment. Let's see the accessories which we get with it. Okay, let's take this out. So here we have the charging cable, and here we get the ear tips, some extra ear tips. Let's open it from the other side. Here we get some documentation which is not necessary for us, so let's throw it.
Yeah, boy.
Let's keep this aside. Wait, let me check it. Some more documentations here. Let's keep this aside. Now let's take this into the view. Here we have the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. So yeah, now let's come to the color choices which these earphones offer. Now the first color being black, second one is blue which I have, third one being mint, and fourth one being oat. Pretty interesting colors, I guess. So yeah, now let's talk about the specs of these earphones. Firstly, these support warp charge, which is fast charging. They have what OnePlus claims, 10 hours of battery life with just 10 minutes of charge. These have magnetic controls, which means the earbuds acts as a switch by pausing music when stuck together and automatically start playing when pulled apart. Now they have a IP55 rating, which makes it sweat and water resistant. Also, they have a low latency mode, which prevents delay while playing a game or watching a video. And also, they have a quick switch, which means you can switch between multiple devices just by pressing a button. Now that's pretty cool. So yeah, now let's talk about the price of these earphones. These earphones come at a cost of Rs 2000 in India and at a cost of $50 in US. So, should you buy it? Well, it depends on what kind of music you listen to. Well, if you're kind of a person who likes a music in which vocals are pretty strong, then these earphones are definitely for you. Well, if you're kind of a person who likes bass boosted songs, well then the 9.2mm drivers in these don't just satisfy you. Well, other than that, these earphones offer you some great sound quality, and for a price of Rs 2000 or $50 roughly, I think these are just great. And if you're going to get it, just go for it. You're gonna love it.